Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 home remedies for dry cough. Coughing can be quite bothersome, but don't worry, we've got you covered with these natural remedies that may help provide some relief. Let's dive in. 1. Honey. Number 1 on our list is honey. Honey has soothing properties that can help alleviate throat irritation and reduce coughing. Simply take a teaspoon of pure honey or mix it with a cup of herbal tea for added benefits. 2. Steam inhalation. Next up, we have steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or during a steamy shower can help moisturize the airways, providing relief from a dry cough. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is our third remedy. Prepare a cup of ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Sip on this warm and comforting drink to ease your cough symptoms. 4. Warm fluids. Staying hydrated is crucial when dealing with a dry cough. Drink warm fluids such as herbal teas or clear broths. These can help soothe your throat and keep your body well hydrated. 5. Saltwater gargle. A saltwater gargle is an age-old remedy that can provide temporary relief for a dry, scratchy throat. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric, with its medicinal properties, is our sixth remedy. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk, mix well, and drink it before bedtime. It can help alleviate coughing and promote a good night's sleep. 7. Lemon and honey. Another effective combination is lemon and honey. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass, add a teaspoon of honey, and mix well. Drink this mixture to soothe your throat and reduce coughing. 8. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is our eighth remedy. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. The oil's aroma can help relieve cough symptoms and clear congested airways. 9. Licorice root. Licorice root, known for its demulcent and expectorant properties, can be beneficial for a dry cough. Steep licorice root in hot water, strain the mixture, and drink it as tea. Remember to consult a healthcare professional if you have high blood pressure or any underlying conditions. 10. Thyme tea. Last but not least, we have thyme tea. Thyme has cough-suppressing and antimicrobial properties. Steep fresh or dried thyme leaves in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy a cup of thyme tea to help ease your dry cough. That wraps up our list of the top 10 home remedies for a dry cough. Remember, while these remedies may provide temporary relief, it's important to seek medical advice if your symptoms persist or worsen. Stay healthy and take care. See you next time.